Hello girls and guys and ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts, and this is your exciting new series 0 to Hero on Python on Jetson Nano using Linux terminal. Alright guys, so where are we? Let's take a look. Let me just give you something more guys. See, for example, there is a reason why I am insisting upon Jetson Nano. Alright, so can you see there is a camera and there is also a Bluetooth dongle, and there are still a couple of more USB ports available, right? Guys, the lessons which I am teaching you, that's Python on Linux, you can obviously do it on your Windows machine as well. It's pretty easy. Or you can install Linux Ubuntu version on any of your laptop and start learning Python coding. However, there is a specific reason why I am insisting upon Jetson Nano, right? As you guys are aware, by this time you would have googled and seen about Jetson Nano. It's a very powerful GPU, right? And the most important thing, the way where we are leading this particular series 0 to Hero is we are going to get into robotics, artificial intelligence, IoT and whatnot. There are tons of things I'm going to teach you guys free of cost, absolutely totally free, from scratch to a hero level. And that's possible until you have a edge computing board like this, which has got almost 40 GPIO pins. Can you see here? There are tons of GPIO pins, and this can, this one single board will solve the entire purpose. You can connect your motors, your sensors, and you can run multiple applications. You can make your robots to perform certain tasks and execute Python commands remotely via terminal sitting at home, and your board is going to be somewhere else. So guys, that's the reason I'm insisting. Go ahead and pick up one of these boards and start following my lessons. All right guys, so let's begin on today's lesson. So let's see, where are we? Alright, so today I'm going to talk about very basic arithmetic operators in Python. So I'm sure you guys know much better than me what is an arithmetic operator. It's an elementary school level, right? So it's plus, minus, division, multiplications, percentage, blah blah blah, all those things. It comes under arithmetic operation. However, in Python you have to use specific syntax, right? It's very important. You just cannot say 5 plus 9 equal to print. It's not going to happen. You got to give a syntax and the print command and certain syntax again, and then execute. So I'm going to show you one by one. It's very basic, but it's very important for you to understand. And most important, you have to log into your Jetson Nano via Linux terminal. It's very critical guys, so that you get very much used to Linux commands and kind of thing. Of course, I'm going to start another series parallelly where I'm going to teach Linux commands and what that command means and what it does and stuff like that. That's going to be a separate series. That's going to come very soon. Alright, so let's take a look at it. What is an arithmetic operator? The operators are basically used to perform operations on variables and values. Okay, operators are special symbols in Python, which carries out the arithmetic or a logical computation. Alright, I hope you understand this. The value that the operator operates on that specific task is called an operand. Alright, now there are multiple, these arithmetic operators are divided into multiple sections. Okay, one is obviously the arithmetic operator, and there is something called an assignment operator. There is something called comparison operator, there is an identity operator, membership operator, bitwise operator, logical operators. I am going to show one by one each of this, okay, in different small videos. Alright guys, stay tuned, and I am going to just log into my Jetson Nano. Hold on guys, let me share my screen. Alright, now as usual, I am already logged into my Jetson Nano using PuTTY through my Windows machine remotely into Jetson Nano. Now let's look at it. Let me create a new file as usual using Nano IDE. Remember Nano IDE? Yeah. Nano, what do we call? Say operator, okay. Operators.py. And this is the file name we are going to use repeatedly for a bunch of other examples. All right. There you go. I'm into the Nano file. Now let's say, let me give you an example of a very basic arithmetic operator. Okay. So x equal to 5 and y equal to 3. Now let's say print x plus operator y. All right. So this is a plus operator. Let's say control O, enter, control X. Now let me execute this file. How do we execute? Python file, Python 3. Remember we are using version 3, Python 3 operators.py. Boom. So this is an example of, I know it looks silly. You might say, well, what the hell, man, I know 5 plus 3 is 8, you know, it's so simple. Well, yeah, I'm trying to, as I said, this series is a zero to hero. It's from the scratch for people who do not know anything about coding, anything about computers, anything about Linux terminals. This is designed for that, right? So guys, just follow the series, you will get there one by one soon. All right, so let me clear this, and then what we can do is, all right, so I'll do one thing, guys. Let us save this file, the operator file, okay, and I'm going to show you a bunch of other different type of operators which is going to come up very soon in the next video. All right, until then, see you soon. Bye bye.